What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can use Figma to design a website. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, first of all, you obviously have to open up the Figma, go to figma.com and log into your account. So I'm just going to quickly log in with my Google account because I already have an account. So I'm just going to continue with my Google account. Now, once you're logged into your Figma, what you have to do is you just have to know to design because it will help you design it, but you have to know all things by yourselves as well. As you can see, I had created this design before, which is about design a page mockup, or you can do these things as well. So, in order to design the whole website, first of all, you need to create a blank or untitled page. So, I'm just going to go back so that we can create a blank page. As you can see, we are the Figma home page. Now here what you have to do is you just have to click on this create new and then simply click on design file. Now once you do that, it will open up the new design. Now here you can design things according to you. So you just have to start from the scratch like you did in the painting, just create shapes, create the things, add text. Suppose you are creating a website. So I'm just gonna add some of the like website like google.com. I just added this sort of logo. I can change different things according to you. I'll be able to change the fonts as well. I'll be able to add some of the, like uh, text as well. As you can see, this is what it is. You'll be able to add some images. You'll be able to add some different shapes. Suppose you want there to be an image, so I can do that as well. Let's just do that. I'll just so in short, you come to this page, you design the website according to you, and there you go. You can do unlimited things you want. So you just have to come here, design website according to you, add whatever you want. And once you have the design ready, you can export the design and give it to the website developer. He'll be able to use this design to create website. So you just have to come to Figma, create an account, and start designing. That's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.